How to create crawling or moving text in CapCut PC. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by dragging your video to the timeline and add a text layer and type in your desired text. Now stretch the text so it overlays the entire video. For this demo, I'm using random text as an example. Next, go to the start of the text by holding and sliding your mouse. Once you're there, head over to the text tools and scroll down to find position and size. Before adding any keyframes, make sure your playhead is exactly at the start. Then click to add the first keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and add your second keyframe. Then go to the end of the text layer, copy the Y position, click the left icon, and paste the copied Y value. Now let's try. And just like that, you've got clean, crawling text on your video. Leveling up your edits just got easier. Like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.